Hello guys, do you want to make such impressive art for your client or for OpenArt? How it works, how we are also going to start working to create videos, some VFX effect and many other. And you can upgrade your account. Here you have some credit like me. Then you can click on the get some promo for a monthly. User can also get in video description for 15% and dear you can also come for it yearly. There is a wonder. This is my suggestion plan. You can get number of credit here. You can also start your experience now. We are coming into this section so we can also create such an impressive work where music video I have selected now. Come into the workspace. We have to select the theme and select the music. There you can also upload there and select your own character. Up there are some award car given some suggestion and select the skill and their high clarity. And after that we are just generate UI for did word you can own fanatic tier here he sells text. You can also have more. You can add it on the same interface. You can alter get off radio. Even there you can also find more details to video or frame to view. By these different model you are to describe what type of video you want in text so you can choose the skills and there is all the quality. Generate the best result will be shown. Lovely. And my friends, next you can also come here to start with VFX, how to implement on a simple picture or video. I am going to select your video and then we can also draw this section. We can also give some description here and then we are also going to making that this face should be. With VFX you can check out the final result on the screen here. So here you can also check that how it looks, the width of some little thing have been detected. So here you have seen a lot of details on the OpenArt 1 platform for all these functionality with different model. Yes, you can also get Air Indie Director where you can create your music and then you can get some template that will be used as a reference. And here you can also generate the images. Yes, you can also generate some scenario. For that you'd need to write here prompt it and then you have to select the quality as well as for their resolution. We can generate the image using and run a prompt GPT image 2 and many other. We are going to choose your number of 3 suggestion and then we will proceed. Here is number 1. You can check this with more accuracy. And there according to the result and further you can also get details in very deep way. This is really impressive work I have seen now and that's why I'm going to suggest link to you. Even you can also design character for your game for your different scenario. The awesome reference character you can also use them if you want to create. You can select here Ravas. We are going to a making from text. So here we have to write describe the character. I am going to creating some chubby character with meal and some this should be using different moral and here I am also going to creating in a realistic way. So now let's see how type of content we are going to create. Like this is the character. I like it. This is also giving us some realistic and very fast result. Even now you want to upgrade your cracker. You can also go ahead and now it's your turn. That how it works. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Enjoy. You do a picture day.